Rebuilding basics. Understanding rebuild in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a word that's both simple and powerful, rebuild. We'll explore its meaning, usage, and some interesting contexts where this word comes to life. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding the nuances of rebuild can add depth to your English skills. So, let's get started. Rebuild is a verb that combines re, meaning again, with build. At its core, it means to build something again that has been damaged or destroyed. This can be physical, like reconstructing a house, or more abstract, like restoring a relationship or confidence. It's important to understand that rebuild implies a process. It's not usually instantaneous, but rather something that takes time and effort. Physical reconstruction. In a literal sense, rebuild often refers to the construction of something tangible. For instance, after a natural disaster, communities may come together to rebuild homes and buildings. Emotional and personal rebuilding. On a personal level, rebuild can describe the process of recovering from emotional trauma or setbacks. Someone might rebuild their life after a difficult period, like a serious illness or a career change. Relationships and trust. In the context of relationships, to rebuild often means to repair or restore. For example, after a misunderstanding or argument, friends might need to rebuild trust. To help you better understand how to use rebuild in conversation, here are some examples. 1. After the fire, the community came together to rebuild the local school. 2. He's working to rebuild his confidence after failing the exam. 3. The couple spent years trying to rebuild their relationship. Notice how rebuild can be adapted to various situations, but always carries a sense of making something strong or whole again. Understanding synonyms and antonyms can expand your vocabulary and comprehension. Synonyms: reconstruct, restore, renew, repair. Antonyms: destroy, demolish, raze, dismantle. These words can often be used interchangeably with rebuild, but each carries its own subtle connotations. And that's a wrap on rebuild. We hope this video has helped you grasp the essence of this versatile word. Remember, language learning is like rebuilding. It takes time, patience, and consistent effort. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a refresher. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.